Hello everyone, I'm Mellonz. Welcome in or welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I went over a lot of MixItUp basics, and so today we're going to be talking about some command and alert basics. Like last time, I'm going to include some timestamps so you can skip around or get a refresher if needed. To start, we're going to head to the Commands tab. If you click on the Pre-made Commands tab, there is a list of commands that are pre-made by MixItUp. Having these on or off won't make a huge difference, but I think the ones that are used the most frequently are follow age, set game, set title, start giveaway, streamer age, subscriber age, and title. These can be helpful for your mods if you need to change a title or a game quickly, and for your community. Now, if you click on the custom commands, this is where you'll make your own commands. To create a command, all you have to do is select New Command. Commands are super fun because they can be anything you desire. The name will be helpful for you to find it in your list of commands. The chat trigger will be what people type in your chat to initiate the command. Now make sure you deselect the auto-include exclamation point in your chat trigger. If your command is exclamation point boop and you don't do this, anytime someone types boop into the chat, it will either trigger the command or tell them they don't have the permissions to do so. If you would like to be organized and sort your commands into groups, you can do so here by clicking on your group or typing to create a new group. I made my groups depending on who can use the command, whether it be just my mods and I, or anyone, or if it was for a specific charity stream, but you can sort it however you wish. In the usage requirements, you'll primarily be using the first two icons for who can use the command and for a cooldown. By clicking on the person with the key, you can either leave it as a command for anyone to use, or select the platform you're using. I use Twitch, and select your moderators and streamer. This comes in handy for things like shoutouts so that random people can't come in shouting out people that you don't align with or that you don't know. Now under the stopwatch, you can select a cooldown, which comes in handy for any counters, like for instance a death counter, so that it doesn't get initiated by 5 people at the same time on accident. Once you have all that set up, it starts to get super fun. So at the bottom of the window, there is an action dropdown that you can select. Most commands will mainly stick to a chat message and or an overlay, image and video, sound, and a wait. All you have to do is click your action and then the plus button. With chats, I like to select the send a streamer button so that it seems more personable and like I'm really there in chat instead of just a bot. You can write anything here you wish. Now with overlay, there are a few more options. If you want to include an image or video, select so from the action dropdown that is inside the new overlay section. Select your duration for how long you want the image to pop up, but for videos, just set the duration to how long the video is. The details you might have to mess around with for a little bit, but browse your image, and then I recommend testing your alert to see how big it is and adjusting the pixel width and height depending on that. You can also select the position tab and choose where you'd like it to appear on screen. You can do the top, the bottom, the middle, the left, or the right. Normally, I don't use any of the other options, and this is going to be the same set of selections for both the images and the videos. If you want to add a sound with your alert, you will want to select Play Sound and then browse for an MP3 file on your PC. For the audio output device, you want to select the MixItUp overlay option. This is how you'll be able to hear your alerts from MixItUp while you're streaming. Lastly, the wait action can be super important if you have a command that has multiple actions. The wait action will insert a pause depending on whatever you type in there, and it's spaced out very nicely. For instance, if you set up a raid event, you can send a shout out message, wait 5 seconds, and then it will send another chat message after the wait to introduce yourself into chat. For each action, you can use the arrows to move it up or down in the priority line. The top is going to be the starting point of the actions, and then it will trigger downwards. You can also test each individual action, duplicate the action, delete the action, or simply just turn the action off. If you're satisfied with your command, you can click the floppy disk icon to save your command, and then I would hit the play button to test your alert in all of the actions at once in your streaming software. Well, those are the main basic points in making MixItUp commands. I hope it will help you all making your own personalized commands. Check out my other MixItUp videos and be sure to subscribe and put on notifications for my next MixItUp video where I'll talk about commands that I think everybody should have. If you have any other MixItUp questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you all for watching.